So here we have a 1961 Mercedes Benz 190 SL. Came to us out of an estate collection. In my opinion, the later cars have much better performance, better brakes, pretty much better in everything. The earlier cars, for me, were just underpowered, especially for modern day driving. I certainly wouldn't want to take one on a freeway. But this car has got much better acceleration, much more power, and I certainly wouldn't have any hesitation about going on a long journey in that. Fabulous colour combination. At some point in her life, she's been treated to an interior restoration, an exterior restoration, and the engine's being completely overhauled. She still looks pretty original, especially the engine bay, but no squeaking, great suspension, very smooth gearbox, lots of clutch available, generally being well maintained in the previous ownership. She's fully fettled and ready for her next owner. So give us a call at Grand Prix Cafe, 631-353-3553, or you can go to our website at www.grandprixcafe.com, or Instagram Grand Prix Cafe New York.